Welcome to the Learners channel. In this video, we will going to learn about circle command of AutoCAD software. A circle is an AutoCAD object in which all points are at an equivalent distance from the center. The circle command is used to create circles in the drawing. When the circle command is activated, various combination of the center, radius and the diameter etc. can be specified while creating a circle. The most fundamental and basic combination is to select a center point 1 and then specify the radius, that is second point. Drawing a circle. In order to draw the circle, command can be activated in the following two ways. The first option is from the ribbon bar. Activate the home tab, then go to draw panel and then click the circle button as you see here. And the second option is to use the command line. Type in the LSC or the full circle command and press the enter or the space bar keys. Alternatively, we can also use the mouse right click as an equivalent to the enter command. You may see here in command line I will write C, then circle command is shown here. Okay, now I will going to show you in the AutoCAD software. Now I am in AutoCAD software. You see here in ribbon bar there is circle and there are various options, that is center radius, center diameter, 2.3.10 10 radius, 10 10 10. Okay, we will going to know about these options in further videos. In command bar I will write here C. You see the circle command is shown in the command bar. Okay, now we will going to learn how to draw a circle by the help of practice exercise. In this exercise we will draw a circle as shown using the most fundamental and basic combination, which is to select a center point and then specify the radius. Okay, let us use a step-by-step procedure to draw a circle. First one is open the practice file or you open the AutoCAD software. Use any of the two previously explained methods to activate the circle command, that is either it may be ribbon method or from the command bar. For the center point, click to specify the center of the circle. Drag the mouse outwards away from the center and type a radius value of say 400 meter or 400 feet depending on the units you are using, metric or imperial units. Then press the space bar or the enter key to finish the command. You should now be able to see the circle we have created. Again we are going to AutoCAD software to show you the circle command. Now I am in AutoCAD software and you may see here the circle command is here and I type in command bar C circle. Okay, click on the circle, then specify the center point. Okay, by clicking from mouse, then I write here 400. Okay, then click enter. You see the circle is drawn. Okay, for further videos from AutoCAD, you have to tune in to this channel. Thanks for watching.